we got a package in the mail from Stylecraft. Let's open it up. Alright, let's see what we got. Another package. Let's open this one up. Alright, let's see what we got. This is the Barber Hood Stylecraft Gamma. Alright. Alright, we got some guards. We got some guards. Alright. I don't know what type of guards these are. These look like there's some type of wall style guards. Let me see, magnetic, double magnetic. It says tight guards. I don't know. Gotta check that out. What is this? A modified T-blade? Okay. Alright, we're gonna open that up. Then we got some air and scissor and clipper duster here. We got a brush. And it comes with a stem too. It comes with a little for this. It was definitely attached on the side here, and it just came loose. That sticker right there, it definitely came on the side. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Alright, I don't know why it came in such of a big box. You know what I'm saying? It came in like a big, really big box for such 4 items. Alright, this is what it is. I'm real interested into this T-blade. Let me see what this is. Let's open this up. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, the little box, the way it opened. Ooh, okay. Alright, this modified T-blade. These look like hitters. Look at that. These looking like hitters. I'm gonna let you guys know how these hit. Yeah, and another one. Alright, maybe I'll do a vlog on these and show you guys how these hit. I love the packaging on this. Alright, stay tuned.
Where you get your beats?
Alright YouTube, so what we're gonna do is transform this whole look into a burst fade. Right now, I'm setting in my duck clips and I'm parting the hair at the parietal ridge. So now that I have the hair parted, I'm just gonna take off the bulk. So when doing a burst fade, you're basically doing a mohawk, all right? It's not really a mohawk, but it's just a wider version of a mohawk. So I'm gonna take off a lot of this bulk on the sides. That way I can set in my guidelines. So now that I have the bulk removed, what I'm gonna do now is set in my first guideline, which is the bald line. I'm using my Babyliss FX trimmers to set in a basically a ball line around my client's ear. It's gonna be in a circular like shape. Next, with the Instinct X, with the lever fully open, I'm gonna set in my next guideline and I'm gonna go up about 1/2 inch. Putting on the one guard with the lever open, I'm doing the same exact thing, going up the same exact width, making sure that I feed the hair into the teeth of the blade with my comb. Next, I'm going to saturate the top of the hair with water just so it can lay down better. So now that the hair is laid down, I'm gonna clipper over comb, basically building shape. So now that I built the shape that I want, I'm gonna go back with my one guard and basically in a flick out motion, I'm gonna blend into that bulk using my one guard. So I'm going to continue to work my way down by closing the lever on my one guard and softening up that middle line. Putting on the zero guard with the lever fully closed in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Remember to use your corners the entire time. So whatever the zero guard close couldn't take out, I like to go back with my lever open and kind of just detail that area. Now with the lever fully closed and a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Remember to start below the line, flick to the line, and if you need to adjust your lever as you go up. So lastly, what you want to do is you want to detail your work, all right? Detailing is extremely important. What I like to do is I like to refer to the mirror. The mirror shows you a different perspective on the blend than just seeing it head on. Also, I like to rest my eyes if I don't have a mirror and just go back in and do some corner work. You don't have to rest your eyes for that long. Just give your eyes, a little break. Come back. You'll be able to see different bulk areas and it just gives your eyes something different to look at, while you rest in them. So make sure you do that. Also use your corners. Get in those areas where you see bulk. Even when you're using your guards, like right here, where I'm just using my corner just to knock out that area where I see bulk. So right now, I'm basically gonna take out my duck clips, saturate my client's hair with water, and basically take off about 1 inch on the top. I'm gonna start from the front and then work my way back using the front as a guideline. So that way everything can be even. So now I'm gonna prep my front. I'm basically gonna set my duck clips in and take down the hair in the front to a 1 guard. I found that to be a perfect length to line up. That's the length where, you know, it best lays down, and it just gives a better lineup. So if you want to take it to the next level, what you could do is also spray some hairspray to lock it in. Make sure you brush it down. That way the hair don't move when you cut it. Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in a full 360, and they come out looking like
God did.
YouTube. This is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother. He does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok is official360Jeezy and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.